Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the feed in braid, and this is really going to be my last attempt at trying to teach you guys this method. I do have a couple tutorials on my channel already, and on this one I'm going to be focusing on the first method in that video, and I'm doing this on a mannequin head because I'm going to be using really bright pink hair today just so you guys can be able to see where I'm inputting the hair for some contrast. And I know you guys always ask me how many pieces of hair I use to achieve my feed in braids, and I usually don't count the amount of pieces, but just for you guys today, I'm going to be completing these with 8 pieces of hair, okay? So let's jump right into this tutorial. As you guys can see here, I've already separated out my 8 pieces of hair, and my pieces do go from small, and then when I get to my last piece, it is significantly larger, and so you do want to make sure when you're pulling hair, you start off small, and as you get to that 8th piece, it's bigger. This whole video will be completed in regular speed for you guys, just so that you guys can see every single thing that I'm doing on camera. So I'm going to be using Shine and Jam today in this video. This is my product of choice, and this can really be replaced by any type of edge control. I do like the Shine and Jam because it has a great hold, but it's still super flexible. So you're going to coat each side of the client's hair with the Shine and Jam, and this just makes sure that when you're braiding, it creates a sleek look. Next, I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to comb that product through on each side. And I did have to straighten out my mannequin head's hair because her hair is like literally like sheep wool, and she likes to move. If you have a client that moves, you take your comb, say, I said stop. Ooh, ooh. You okay? Yeah. What happened? Nothing. So to start the braid, I'm going to start off by sectioning a small piece of hair at the front of the head, and this is going to start off my braid. You want to make sure that this section is really small. You don't want to start off with too large of a chunk of hair. Next, I'm going to separate this hair here into 3 pieces. So 1, 2, and then I have my 3rd piece here. I'm going to begin braiding this 2 times. So that's 1, cross it over. This is 2, and I'm going to freeze right here. Okay, now you can see right here, you can see my thumb and my pointer finger. This is where I'm going to insert the piece of hair. So I take my first piece, which should be your smallest piece. Okay, I'm holding it in between my pointer and my middle, and I'm going to take my thumb and put it underneath just like this. Now I'm going to take this piece of hair and put it in between, let me see if I can, in between my pointer and my thumb finger. Okay, just like that. Now I have this outside piece of hair. This strand here is going to combine with that outside piece. This strand here is actually, and I'm going to move this piece of hair out the way just for a second. This piece of hair right here is going to combine with the middle strand. Okay? So, I'm going to take this piece of hair, combine it with that outside piece. The middle piece should already be in between my pointer and thumb finger where that middle strand is. So I don't have to do any extra movements with that, okay? I just need to make sure that I grab this outside piece with this piece of hair and I continue braiding. So I'm going 1, remember it's a French braid, so you're picking up hair as you go. 2, okay? Now, every time I get back to this right side, okay, I'm going to add in their natural hair in between my pointer and my thumb finger. I'm now taking my next piece of hair. And once again, in between my pointer and my middle, my thumb goes underneath to lift it up. And I'm putting that in between my pointer and my thumb finger. Boom. Okay. Once again, this combines with the middle strand. This combines with the outside strand. So I'm going to pick this up, combine it with that outside strand, boom, I continue braiding. Okay, there's 1 cross. And sorry, her hair is nappy, so let me detangle. Girl, keep your head still. Dang, she moved too much. All right. So here we are again. Okay, we've got this outside piece here. Got my middle piece here. Again, I'm taking this here and I'm gonna show you how to do this again. So I'm holding it in between my pointer and my middle finger. Gonna take my thumb, put it underneath. Now I can insert that in between my pointer and my thumb finger. Okay, once again, I'm braiding. Boom, boom. So I know I made a tutorial where I showed you guys 2 methods, and I like this method best because, I don't know, it just seems so much more simple to me. So again, here goes. And so if you see this hair is hanging down right here, you want to make sure you put it underneath it. So make sure that this is like out your way and you're going under that hair to put it in your pointer finger. Okay, so basically all this hair is being added underneath. You see this? Grabbing that, going again. 1, 2. Good, we're back on this side. So guys, I still have my 3 strands. So I'm just gonna show you here, this is 1 strand. Okay, here's my middle strand. It's in between my pointer and my thumb finger. And then my 3rd strand here. Okay. I'm gonna lift this piece of hair up, put it underneath my pointer and my thumb. Good, I continue braiding. Boom. Good. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the hair, put this underneath, and you continue braiding. Boom. Okay, now I'm down to my last 2 pieces of hair. And so before I insert in my last 2 pieces, I'm gonna braid 4 times. So I'm basically near the end. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up hair here. I'm not adding hair right now, so I'm braiding 1. Good, this is 2, just a regular French braid. Let me pick up hair, this is 3. And then this one is 4. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my last 2 strands, and I like to add these at the end just so my client has length in her hair. So look how big this piece is. Okay, I'm putting that under. Sorry, I know it's hard to see. Under there, I'm grabbing that. Okay, this piece here goes with this piece. Okay, so I'm here. Like I said, middle strand is already in the middle. Good, I'm braiding. And my very last piece is now gonna go in. And my very last piece is gonna go in right there. And I'm gonna finish that braid off. And voila, you have added fake hair into your braid. So hopefully guys, with this pink hair, it kind of creates a contrast so you guys can see where the hair is going in. But this is my feed-in braid. And this was a little harder on a mannequin head, but if you don't have one, I would highly recommend that you guys get a mannequin head just so that you guys can, you know, practice. And it's really cool because you can straighten it and you can do all that good stuff with it. So it's not only for braiding, which is awesome. Okay, and then I'm just continuing to braid down the client's hair. And I'm gonna stop right there because obviously this video is about the feed-in braid. So I want you guys to really look at that. Okay. And I just use the color hair for contrast, and I feel like it looks just kind of weird just because the way the brown goes in with the pink. But I hope you guys could really kind of see the whole method there. Okay, thanks guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys. This is like as simple as I can explain it. And if there's still are questions, make sure you guys leave some comments below and I'll try to help you guys out some more. Thanks so much for watching.